think my favourite thing about working at Nifty is the teamwork.
I'm part of a team that's working together and we're growing together.
I'm proud to work for Nifty Lift. I enjoy my job. We have a great team.
We work hard and make sure the job's done.
We're here at Nifty Lift Hoyland. This is the factory where we make all the superstructures, all the chassis, all the arms and booms that will be used to make a finished machine. On a daily basis, we'll receive a number of deliveries. Here at Nifty Lift, we demand top quality steel. It needs to be, because we make a quality product, but you can't make a quality product out of tinfoil. There are a significant number of parts that can go into any one chassis.
We need to keep production going, so we need to make sure that the parts are there at the right time.
We check everything when it comes in. All our parts have their part number laser etched, so we know that what we're expecting is what we're getting. It means the customer is getting the same product. Every chassis is exactly the same.
The fabrication part is where the chassis components are put together. So the initial stage is the tacking process. The components are tacked into place, which then allows us to be able to finish weld. The robot welder delivers a more consistent weld, it's a stronger weld, an higher quality weld. It also allows us to weld different shapes and contours, more complex components. It's a massive benefit because it allows us to be able to weld components within a quarter of the time that it used to take us conventionally. It's a state-of-the-art piece of kit. It's not something that you'll find in every fabrication shop.
On the HR21 Mark II, the actual process time from start to finish, before we put the automation in for that, was around about 13 hours. It's now 2.5 hours from start to finish. So there's a massive improvement in terms of the throughput time, which also again enables capacity increase because we're producing product at a much faster rate.
The machining part of the process is where all the drilling and boring takes place. These again, state-of-the-art pieces of kit. What's really important is that obviously it's pinpoint accuracy. We are machining parts to 2 microns so that when it goes to assembly, everything assembles together correctly. The finished components are then stored on site.
This is the shot blast area. Shot blast is really important. It gives us the finish that we need. It gets rid of any surface rust. Once that kit's shot blasted, it's then inspected and then it's sent forward to the paint line.
I basically pull the product into my gloss bulb, put what you call a tack coat on first, put my second coat on, and then inspect my work when I've done it and then put it in the oven. I've got to try to make that machine look as good as I possibly can.
As you know, our main colour is Nifty Green, but we have over 100 different colours. Whatever the customer requires, we can supply. Here at Hoyland, we'll build it from base to superstructure. Our assemble guys are all experienced, take pride in the work. We all strive for that first-class finish, which is what the customer requires. It's then an assembled chassis ready to deliver to Milton Keynes. So it's really important that we deliver to Milton Keynes on time. There's a due date on that chassis that needs to be delivered to the customer without any delays.
I think the future at Nifty Lift is really exciting.
What we've tried to do in the facility as a whole is bring in more and more apprentices to be able to develop those skills that we know we're going to need long term. A lot of our apprentices have stepped into the automation, so they're actually running robots.
The amount of components that we're making, amount of components that are coming into the building is going up month on month.
We are investing heavily in new technology, state-of-the-art machinery.
There are plans to put new buildings on the site, to expand the site where we can.
As a manager at Nifty Lift, it gives me great satisfaction to see all the processes coming together.
We're all a team, we all work together, help each other out.
Makes you feel good that you're producing some good quality equipment, you know it's going to be safe.
There's no boundaries. You put the hard work in at Hoyland, there's no limits on what we can achieve.